Now question 43, exercise 13.3 of Exemplar. A shopkeeper sells 3 types of flour seeds A1, A2 and A3. They are sold as a mixture where the proportions are 4:4:2, 4:4:2 respectively. The germination rates of the 3 types of seeds are 40%, 60% and 35%. Calculate the probability of a randomly chosen seed to germinate. Second, that it will not germinate given that seed is of type A3. Third, that it is of type A2 given that a randomly chosen seed doesn't germinate. So we have to answer these 3 questions. Now let me explain again. There are 3 types of seeds, A1, A2, A3, and they made a mixture, and the mixture is in the proportion of 4:4:2, and the germination rates of these 3 types of seeds are 45%, 60% and 35%. We are to calculate the probability. The first question, of a randomly chosen seed to germinate. Second, it will not germinate given that seed is of type A3. Third, it is of type A2 given that randomly chosen seed doesn't germinate. So we have to answer these 3 questions. Now let E1 be the event that seeds are of type A1. Let E2 be the event that seeds are of type A2. Let E3 be the event that seeds are of type A3. So probability of E1. The seeds are of type A1. We know A1 ratio A2 ratio A3 is 4:4:2. It means probability of E1, that is equal to 4/10, that is equal to 2/5. Probability of E2, again 4/10, that is equal to 2/5. Probability of E3 is equal to 2/10, that is equal to 1/5. Let A be the event that seed germinates. Probability of A given E1. What does it mean? Probability the seed germinate given that seed is of type A1. The probability is equal to 45/100, that is equal to 9/20. Probability of A given E2. It means probability seed germinates given that seed is of type A2. Now that is given 60%. So probability is equal to 60/100, that is equal to 3/5. Probability of A given E3. That is probability seed germinate given that seed is of type A3. So that is given 35%. So probability is equal to 35/100, that is equal to 7/20. Our first question is, we are to find the probability of A. It means we are to find the probability that seed germinates. That is equal to probability of E1, probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2, probability of A given E2 plus probability of E3, probability of A given E3. So probability of E1 is given 2/5 into probability of A given E1 is 9/20 plus probability of E2 is 2/5 into 3/5 plus 1/5 into 7/20. So we have substituted the value here. This is equal to 18/100 plus 6/25 plus 7/100. Take the LCM. You will have 18 plus 24 plus 7. That is equal to 49/100. So that is equal to 0.49. Probability that seed germinates, that is equal to 0.49. Now we are to answer its second question. Now its second question is, we are to find the probability that seed doesn't germinate and it is of type A3. Now let A dash be the event that seed doesn't germinate. So probability of A dash given E3. We are to find probability seed doesn't germinate and it is of type A3. So this is equal to 1 minus probability seeds germinate, it's of type A3. So that is given 7/20. So 1 minus 7/20 is equal to 13/20, that is equal to 0.65. So we are to answer next question, which is the third part. For that, I'm going to find probability of A dash given E1 and I'm going to find probability of A dash given E2. Now probability of A dash given E1, it means probability seed doesn't germinate and it is of type A1. So that is equal to 1 minus probability of A given E1. This is equal to 9 by 20 and this is equal to 1 minus 9 by 20. This is equal to 11 by 20. Probability of A dash given E2, it means probability seed doesn't germinate and it is of type A2. So that is equal to 1 minus probability A given E2. So that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 and calculate it, you will get 2 by 5. So probability of A dash given E2 is 2 by 5. On the next page, I am going to answer the third part. Now probability of E1 is 2 by 5, probability of E2 is 2 by 5, probability of E3 is 1 by 5. Probability of A dash given E1 is 11 by 20, probability of A dash given E2 is 2 by 5, probability of A dash given E3 is 13 by 20. I am to answer probability of E2 given A dash. It means probability seed is of type E2 given that it doesn't germinate. So this is Bayes' theorem. Write the formula. Now you know how to write the formula and then substitute the values and you will get the answer. Let me substitute the values. When you substitute the values, you will have 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 upon 2 by 5 into 11 by 20 plus 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 13 by 20. You will have 4 by 25 upon 22 by 100 plus 4 by 25 plus 13 by 100. Take the LCM of the denominator. You will have 100 here, 22 plus 16 plus 13. And after calculation, you will have 4 by 25 into 100 by 51. That is equal to 16 by 51. That is equal to 0.314. So required probability is equal to 0.314. That is the answer.